Hello everyone, let's start with a new rule we would be learning here, that is a castrule, and it is a very quick way to see which quadrants the trigonometric ratio is positive. So सबसे पहले let's have a look at the fourth quadrant here. We have to always start with the fourth quadrant. We have to write C there, then after moving to first quadrant I have to write A. Then to the second quadrant we will be writing S. Then to the third quadrant we would be writing T. So what does A means here? A means that all ratios are positive, whether it is sine, whether it is cos, whether it is tan. All of them are positive in the first quadrant. Secondly, you have to remember that S is there in the second one, right? So sine ratio is positive only. Rest all would be negative. Cos would come out to be negative. Tan would come out to be negative. In the third one, we have is t. So only the tangent ratio is positive in t, whereas sine and cos would be negative. Whereas when we move to the fourth quadrant, so in a fourth quadrant, you would see that the cosine ratio is positive only. Rest all would be negative. Sine would be negative, tan would be negative. And it would depend on the values of the x and y in each quadrant. The values you would get on the basis of that. Like sometimes y is positive, x is negative, so that would depend, right? So here, this is the cast rule you should know about.